Codebeamer's workflow engine allows for a tightly specified and controlled environment with fully configurable guards, conditions, and automations, as well as permission-based access to the transitions. Switching over to the Permissions tab, we'll see the matrix that governs actions and visibility inside each and every one of the trackers. This goes deeper still. Even individual fields can be restricted as needed per user role. As you could previously see, the trackers are connected with one another in a web of traceability. This accommodates individual items to be traced to in a so-called up and downstream references, which is always going to be a clear indication of what goes where. Furthermore, impact analysis can be performed as a bright red suspected badge is going to activate if a change occurs, which could potentially affect any item on the up or downstream.